Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to turn off commercial sounds on TikTok with this full tutorial. If you're hearing promotional audio or business related sounds in your videos and want to switch back to regular sounds, follow these simple steps. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and sign into your account if you have not already. Next, tap on profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap the menu button in the top right corner and open Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and look for the Account section and check whether your account is set to a business account. Commercial sounds are mainly used with business accounts because of music licensing restrictions. If you want access to the full music library available to personal users, tap Switch Account Type and choose Personal Account. Confirm the change and wait a few moments for your account settings to update. Once the switch is complete, return to the video creation screen and open the sounds library. You should now have access to your regular music tracks, and your videos will no longer be limited to the commercial music library. Keep in mind that if you're running a business or brand content, switching to a personal account may remove access to some business tools and analytics features. And that's it. That's how you can turn off commercial sounds on TikTok. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.